in this video I'm going to walk you through how to set photo as wallpaper on Android. So from your home screen, press down it like this, and you can see the option for wallpaper and style. Tap on wallpaper and style. Then you see my wallpaper gallery. Tap on gallery. Then you want to select the picture you want to use. Let's say I want to use the photo, particular photo. Go and search for that particular photo you want to use. And once you find the photo, let's say I want to use this particular one. Tap on it and tap on done. Then tap at set as wallpaper. Now it's asking if you set as a home screen wallpaper, your lock screen wallpaper, or your lock and your home screen wallpaper. You really want for home screen, tap on home screen. Decide to appear and then set on home screen. And now you go to your home screen. The wallpaper has been set. It's as simple as that. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more.